TitoTabs, and welcome back sa channel natin. And for today's video, we are going to unbox one of the essential things na kailangan natin as adult. And yun nga ay ang planner. So yan, nakakuha ako for this year ng planner from Starbucks. So yun, I just want to share my experience in unboxing the 2021 Starbucks plan. So let's go! Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa aking bagong overhead camera setup. Just enjoying. Pasensya na hanggang kasi ngayon I'm still overwhelmed ng ating camera setup. But anyways, let's start with the video. Starbucks 2021 planner and then some koi design dito sa baba. And yan, may serial code tayo sa baba din. Ayan. So, meron siya ditong pang-open sa may sa may gilid. Yung parang sa Yossi. So, easy open. Ayan. Satisfying. Sana satisfying yung pagbukas ko din. Ayan. So, meron pa siyang carton sa loob. So, tanggalin lang natin yung plastic. And so that was it on all four sides, no? And tiyanan! So may balot pa siya dito, may protective cover pa siya. Ayan, so nakabalot pa din ulit yung journal ng plastic. And let's open it. So, meron siyang kasamang bookmark celebrating 50 years ng Starbucks. Ayan. 50th year. Magandang quality bookmark siya actually. Tiyanan! So, may libreng sticker pa siya sa loob. Mga uri ng kape. What's your drink for today? Okay. Thank you. To start, wow, blank page. Try natin mag-doodle dyan. Ugali ko yun, no? So, lahat ng mga notebooks ko, I usually doodle some drawings. Personal information sheet, very common. And we have two calendars for 2021 and 2022. Some dates to note, so mga holiday to. Philippine holidays. Alright. Some information dito of Forest Stewardship Council. Okay. Okay. And yun, ang ganda ng heart dito ng ano. Anyway. At ito na nga. Start with January. Tingnan natin every month na kung anong pagkakaiba. That's for February. February. Cool. Ang cool nung sa March, mga photos. Summer feels talaga yung April, oh. Summer na summer. Hanggang sa mata. Lalo na yung May, no? Ayan, no? Summer feels. Ang cute din ng June. And that's for July. And we have Frappuccino for August. Ang cute ng September, no? Pang girly feels. Ooh. Cool. Cool yung October. I love the color. Hehe. Maki black. Also November. Ang classy, no? And we have December. Cute, ang ganda niya. And meron pa tayong lalagyan dito. So usual naman siya sa lahat ng planner. And we have discount coupons. Nice. And some empty pages to take notes, no? Ayan, that's good. Prefer ko talaga yung mga notebook na ano, na walang linya. Mas gusto ko yun. So that was the video. So hopefully nag-enjoy kayo, no? So wait for the next video para sa guide on how to properly utilize a planner, no? So kahit iba-ibang planner lang naman yun, eh. So ako ever since meron akong hardbounded na notebook since college. So hindi pa talaga siya planner. So meron na akong ganung mga notebook. Mga tulad dito. So yun, nakuha ko lang to nung 2018. So it's a good practice to have something to write on when an idea pop. So yan. And then yun nga, as an adult, you really need to create plans for yourself din, para hindi ka rattle, no? Hindi na siya dagdag sa stress mo. So yan lang. So abang kayo sa next video, I will share my personal strategies on how I am using a planner. So yun nga. So yun, nasasayang lang ako nung 2020 kasi yung planner ko hindi ko siya nagamit masyado because of this pandemic. Pero hopefully for this 2021, sana maging maayos na din, no? New Year's resolution ko din nga talaga na maging strict, no, on planners. So speaking of New Year's resolution, if you want some tips on achieving your New Year's resolution, click nyo tong video na to. So baka makatulong siya sa inyo. So that's how I perceive New Year's resolution every year, no? Every year na lang. So yun lang, no? Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video, click the like button, and share your thoughts din sa comment, no? Sa comment down below. So sulat lang kayo ng mga nasa isip nyo sa baba ng comments, and let's have this adulting community. I am starting to build actually adulting community here in YouTube. So thank you sa support ng mga nakasubscribe pa din. And yun. And that's it. This is TitoTabs. And as always, let's keep on aiming.